This is the Redmi 12C, the direct successor to the Redmi 10C released in March last year, 2022. It is the newest budget offering from Xiaomi, offering a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage space, as well as a 5000 mAh battery. For about 84,000 Naira or $120 US, is this phone worth it? In this video, we'll go over the smartphone and its features, including the display and refresh rate, design and build, audio quality, and every other thing you need to know in order to make an informed decision to purchase this phone. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the post notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video like this one. Redmi 12C comes in a classic Redmi white package with the usual side description that I believe is shading Huawei. Redmi 12C with your favorite Google apps. In the box though, you get the phone, a SIM ejection pin on an envelope housing some heavy paperwork. I wish they can channel the energy used in producing this constitution towards providing more accessories for their devices, at least a pair of earpieces. Moving forward, and in the next compartment, you get a 10 watts charger brick and a micro USB 2.0 cable. The phone has a plastic body with some curved edges towards the back and some line patterns going across the phone. The camera island holds 2 cameras and a flashlight, some very obvious Redmi branding, and the fingerprint sensor. Honestly, the material and feel of this device screams Sakba. I was not expecting it to scream premium, but I expected more considering that the itel A60, which costs almost half of the cost of this Redmi device, somehow managed to look and feel nicer. On the right side are the buttons, and the left side has a SIM hole that takes 2 nano SIM cards and a memory card. The top holds an audio jack. I was also expecting an Naira blaster here, but life happens. The bottom edge has the speaker grill, micro USB ports and microphone. Redmi 12C has a 720p 6.71 inches IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 60Hz and a thick chin. Quality is what you'd expect from a budget device. The colors are vibrant and in some cases over-sharpened. Brightness is sufficient indoors, but using the phone under direct sunlight is not a pleasant experience. Redmi 12C runs MIUI 13 global version, the same MIUI that the Redmi 10C runs on, but this time it is on top of Android version 12S. And you get the usual bloats, nothing spectacular here. Battery here is 5000 mAh capacity. It has only 1 loudspeaker firing downwards. Redmi 12C comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It also comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is a capable and popular gaming chip. But I doubt it's going to hold up considering that G85 processor is a relatively old processor at this time. Scrolling and swiping are smooth, and apart from some occasional stutters and glitches, I think the phone is mildly capable of handling average phone tasks. I wouldn't recommend or consider this to be a gaming phone. The rear camera has dual sensors. These includes a 50 megapixel primary lens and a QVGA AI depth sensor. The phone has a single LED flash on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera on the front. And here are some samples from the Redmi 12C. Nothing mind-blowing, everything you would expect from an entry-level device. Overall, I feel like the Redmi 12C is a great phone, no doubt, trying so hard to offer so much at the best price possible while also compromising on some very key sectors. For me, the micro USB is a deal breaker in 2023. We shouldn't even be having that discussion in 2023 for a phone that is above 80,000 Naira. There are infinite devices in this category and price range that offer more in terms of features, including a USB-C port. That is like my pain point, and I'm sorry. I feel like this phone would have been a lot better with a USB-C port. Other things could have easily been forgiven, right? Somehow, the Redmi 10C, which this phone is actually succeeding, turned out to be the better device here with a Snapdragon 680 processor, USB Type-C, 18 watts fast charging. I would choose that Redmi 10C over this Redmi 12C. That's my brief first impression of the Redmi 12C. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.